How's your mango?
It's good.
The stocking in, you've got...
4 minutes till midnight?
In Australia it is, yeah.
4 minutes till midnight in Australia. Last mango for a month. I'm enjoying it. How's your chocolate?
It's so good.
I haven't had chocolate in 4 years today.
No, I know.
So
You've had 4 years today, oh my God.
Yeah, 4 years today since I've had chocolate. And I'm not tempted. But I am enjoying this mango, and I'm gonna miss this. But
it's the wrong time of year to be giving up a mango, isn't it?
It is. But
and blueberries.
Greater things than mangoes await.
Yes. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Rock and roll.
Keep eating. You've got 3 minutes. What? Oh, I've just been jumping and bouncing around. What is it, 2:30? I think I've got potato phoria, Andrew.
Potato phoria.
I didn't start eating until about 10:30 or something because I don't really eat that much in the morning. And then I realised I haven't eaten anywhere near the calories I would normally eat. And I felt a little bit lightheaded, and then I thought about it and thought, oh, I've had like 3 cold boiled potatoes. They were pretty small. And normally I would have had like a whole noodle stir fry or something. I normally eat dinner food in the morning, so I would have had some kind of green stir fry without oil, with tofu and everything though. And so it's probably a whole lot less calories. And so I ate a bunch of potatoes and I did some stretches because that didn't take very long. And normally I'd spend ages in the kitchen.
Yeah, you just go and grab a potato and eat it.
Yeah, I've just been doing that. So I've had, and then I've just been full of beans and jumping around, but I'll probably come crashing back to earth at some point. But I don't know, feels good.
Cool.
But I have had a couple of cravings because I tend to, like, I just got the kids some food ready and I've been, I walked into the kitchen, there was a baguette there and I reached for it before I remembered, and then I thought, oh, that would be nice right now, bread, we all love bread. And anyway, just moved on, I just got on with it. So that's
Done
good.
well.
But now I'm starting to remember how hard it can be, so, because it hasn't been, obviously, it's only been a few hours, so yeah, interesting. That's all. Hi Spuddies. I have been I have been eating these all day, and just cold boiled potatoes, and I can't actually stomach another one, and I have to work tonight, so I want to think better, and I need more food to do that. So because I probably haven't had many. Do you know how many calories that would be?
I don't know how many you've had.
Well, like 6, 7 over the whole day.
Yeah, they're small.
So
they're not small, they're like medium, so there's probably, I don't know, 400 calories you've had.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah.
That'll be right. So I don't feel bad or anything, I feel fine, and I've been very energetic, which I'm not normally lately because I'm so lazy lately. So anyway, I've decided to make, I want to drink my food, which is unusual for me, but I do like soup. So I've just put steamed ones in there, cold steamed ones. I'm going to put,
so they're cold ones that we boiled last night,
So I'm going to do a teaspoon of stock, this massive vegetable, it's chicken stock, but it's all plants.
It's vegan chicken stock.
Vegan chicken stock, that's what I meant. See what I mean? Onion powder is my favourite thing pretty much in the world. I should maybe just eat onion powder.
It's on that little rack that you're looking at there.
That one there? Oh yeah. I should have prepared this.
Yeah, it's usually there.
Onion powder. Probably. Like.
Good shake.
Yeah, good shake. Yeah. Splash, really a small splash of this is our soy milky, which
soy milky light, if anyone's wondering.
Yeah, the light one. So
it's got no added oil, so that's good.
So it's just whole soybeans. It's got a bit of sugar in it, but not much, and filtered water, and then calcium, a bit of calcium. So that's enough.
Is it?
I think they're going to become. Well, I'm going to see how mushy they get.
You probably have to.
I might need more. Hey.
Just.
Well, I might add water too. So actually, I'll just do that.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't want to have too much milk. I don't want it to be like a milk dinner.
Yeah. Good point.
So, and then I'll just blend that. Oh, come back.
All right.
I've got to find.
Go.
So I blended 5 potatoes, and I've.
Sorry, I missed the filming of that, folks.
Oh, I blew the fuse on the Vitamix because it's quite thick.
You didn't blow the fuse, you just tripped it.
I tripped it, sorry.
So we just flick the switch back and it goes again.
Yeah, so I'm going to heat it in the microwave, and then I'm going to add yeast, usual yeast, and I have fresh dill as it happens, and it's obviously perfect with potatoes, so I'm just going to put that, like cut it up and put it all through it, and black pepper over the top at the end.
We'll have a look when that's done.
Yeah. I'm really glad I thought of this because I've just made the boys pesto pasta, and again it's so automatic. I just kept reaching to eat it, and then I kept forgetting, so I didn't eat any. Anyway, so now I've made this, and it's going to be hugely satisfying. So that's yeast. I would have normally mixed that in, but I didn't want to. I want to sort of show you how much I'd use. It doesn't. What was that? Probably a tablespoon. And then just mix it in a bit. It smells amazing. Dill. I've got heaps of leftover dill, and I love this stuff. So I love all herbs basically. So I'm just and dill is just perfect with potatoes. So I'm just doing that. This is them enjoying their pesto pasta. But I don't care now because I'm really excited about this. I have to say, it certainly is better than a cold boiled potato.
The boys are out there having fun with their pasta.
They are. So there, and then actually. It's quite gourmet.
I just stood on some food.
Oh, there's frozen peas everywhere because the baby throws them everywhere. Okay, there you go.
That's it?
Yep.
Give it a taste?
No, I'm not doing that.
Oh, you don't eat on camera?
No, I don't. Well, I do, but I don't like taste testing on camera.
Can I have a taste?
Yeah.
There you go, you're filming me tasting it.
All right. That's why, because it gets drippy.
That's yum though, well done. Nailed it.
Yeah. There you go. There's always a way through.
There is.
Always a way through.
Enjoy.
I shall.
I've done a hard training session and I'm holding this phone in my arm, so we better be quick because I can't hold it up for long.
Oh, really? It is shaky a bit. It's funny. I forgot to say, I went to the playground with my best friend and her 2 kids earlier, with my 2, and I took, this is the soup I just made, but I took just this full of spuds. It's about this big. And because I didn't want to be caught.
How many spuds do you reckon went in it?
Only
6, 8?
No, more like 3 or 4. 4
really?
I think.
Okay.
I'd squash them a bit. They're pretty big. It's only small. And I was the only one actually there with food in the end, but I didn't know what was going to happen, and I wanted to have spuds with me in case we ended up going back to their place for a quick dinner before the kids
Arm change.
went to bed, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, that's just so easy. And anyway, all the kids had a bite of some of my potatoes in the end. So,
Okay, cool.
yeah, they all came up, potato. So, kids love potatoes.
There you go.
And Frank just went nuts with his soup as well. He ate quite a lot of it, and then he started to throw the rest around the room. So that's when we know he's had enough food.
And I've just had cold, plain boiled potatoes all day. And Frank, who's nearly 2, just fought me for one. He was just, I've just got to have some of that. We've never given him a cold, plain boiled potato before. We've given him lots of potatoes, but never a cold, plain boiled one.
Gone.
But he was into it. He fought me for
You
it.
want some more?
And he won. So I had to go
Throw
and get
peas
another
on
one.
the floor. I just have to give him some more frozen peas.
All right, so hang on. Let's just wrap it up.
Yeah. No, because it's quiet at the moment.
Oh, okay, he's quiet, so we're not wrapping it up. All right, so that's pretty much it for us for day 1. I think that's we might have a couple more potatoes or a bit more soup later on, and yeah, so far so good. I was worried about doing this. I know everyone thinks I'm some sort of weird, like Superman who can just do this easily because I did a year, but as I've said before, it's like once you've ran one marathon, that doesn't suddenly mean the second marathon's easy. It's still going to be hard, and I was worried about this thing. It was going to be hard, and it probably still is going to be, but day 1, no trouble.
Yeah,
Easy.
and I feel like I'm glad we did this again for another reason, and that is because we can really relate again, because I forgot a bit of, like I know you did a whole year, and I only did 2 weeks twice, but I forgot some of the things that have happened today. I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Like
the automatic reaching for stuff.
The reaching for stuff, but that stuff I really remember. But what I had forgotten is how much of a reset it is, because today, the best thing I could think of having when I was cutting it up for the boys was a mango, and I was like, oh, I would love some of this mango right now. Whereas normally I'd be like, I don't want mango. I can go to the shop and get chocolate. That I have this weakness for this particular chocolate, that veggie bar. And yeah, but today I was like, I did not have any craving for chocolate. I wanted that mango. So it's already kind of. It's sort of I'm further along in a way because I've done it before, I guess. But it's also made me remember what it was like the first time, and yeah, first 2 times. Yeah.
Cool.
There you go. I'm really happy with today. I'm glad I had that soup just now. It was so filling, and now I've had, I think, 4 potatoes in one go instead of just like trying to eat my way through one. And it's good because my brain's back to its glucose.
Awesome.
Carb hit. It's good.
Well,
that's it. That'll do.
Been a successful day 1. If anyone wants to join us, then click the link below. like, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff. Let us know how you're going if you're doing it. And yeah, keep checking back. We're going to try and do a video every day. Can't promise we will, but I'm going to try.
Remind me to talk slowly. Wow, I feel really strong.
Shut up.
But remind me to talk slowly.
I'll try.
Like just now you didn't.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
I'll talk slowly. Oh yeah. Okay.
All right, spud up everyone.
See you
Click below
tomorrow.
if you want to join us. Bye-bye.
Yeah.